everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Chatty Get Ready with me. We haven't done one in a while. I've been doing the 31 days of October, so I felt like we needed to do a Chatty Get Ready with me. This is not going to be a Halloween look. This is just going to be a regular eyeshadow look. I haven't even planned what I'm going to do yet, but we'll figure it out when we get there. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you being here. What we do is I just put on my makeup and talk about what's going on in my life, and I got a lot to catch you up on. So let's get started. I've already done my skincare and already put my primer on. I'm going to use the Tarte Face Tape. This color is medium beige. It's getting too dark for me. Let me find the brush. Here we go. It's getting a little too dark for me, but I'm going to go ahead and use it today. I think I will start mixing my winter shade with this shade and then transition into just using my winter shade. Yeah, it is chilly. I do not have a fan on today. I actually have a sweater on today. It's got the open shoulders, but what is it, kitties? Kitties are meowing. Don't know what. But yeah, let's get started. All right, let's see. Where do I want to start? It's been fun doing the 31 days of October. Here at the final stretch, I am going to be missing a couple of days. I'm out of ideas and actually quite tired and burned out and all. I've been busy for this month. I started I always do sentences like that, don't I? I never finish what I'm saying. I have a second YouTube channel. It's Patricia Travels. I haven't been on that channel in quite a while because Patricia's not been traveling. I guess it's 2 years, maybe. I am not going to do anything with that channel. I don't believe anymore. It's sitting there, but I've got no plans for it. But I've started another YouTube channel, and I have been doing it almost all month. So it's been out. I've got quite a few videos in there. I will put a link to it down below. It's called Blue Ridge Blissful. And what it is ambient videos. I have really been working on editing, and I am so enjoying making these videos. Whether a bunch of people watch them or not, I don't care. It's just so much fun to make. So I'm enjoying making these videos. So I've been doing ambient videos. Some has music, some it's just sounds like ASMR kind of. With video and graphics, and yeah. So it's called Blue Ridge Blissful. So far I've got 7 subscribers. that's fun. But I'm enjoying it, and I use these videos to I'll put one on. I was doing this before I made them with other people's videos. I would put one on and let it play while I'm cleaning the house, or sometimes while I'm reading a book, just background ambient noise. And so I thought, I'm going to make my own. Because I had been wanting a video that had Tibetan singing bowls. Because I love that sound, which I need to make another one. But I made one early on with Tibetan singing bowls. And I made my own because I couldn't really find one I liked. So that's what got me started. And so yeah, that's what I've been doing, Blue Ridge Blissful. So that has been keeping me a little busy. Not too bad, but it's more fun than anything. And then I got my Etsy store. And my Etsy store is doing so good. I am so happy with it. Those of you who saw my video of my jewelry, I haven't even listed that jewelry yet. I've had a commission for some pieces that I needed to get done, and I'm still working on them. But my goal is this evening to finish the last piece I need to, and then starting tomorrow trying to get some jewelry pieces listed. It's time consuming. But I need to get some of that jewelry listed, and I will be listing it next. So, but yeah, I'm proud of my Etsy store. It's doing really good. And then, so I've got a second YouTube channel. So, well, actually a third YouTube channel, but 2 YouTube channels going, an Etsy store, and then I have started another endeavor, which I will explain later, that's been keeping me busy. Also, yeah, I've been keeping myself busy because, 1, I really needed to. 2, we can use the extra income. So, and I'm enjoying what I'm working on. So, the last thing will be, should be able to put up a video next week, tell you about it. Now, as far as this channel goes, Finding My Tiara, I'm not going to be cranking out a ton of videos between now and the end of the year because I'm just not going to have the time. Christmas is coming and I have to finish Christmas presents. So I will show you the wreaths I have told you about. When I get them done, I'll do a video and show you. And I need to do some sewing. So I sew right here where I do my makeup. I do it all right here. So I've got to switch all this out to sew. So that's why, one of the reasons I did the 31 days of October, so I can get a lot of content out. But also, because I knew in November, December, I probably won't be putting out a lot of videos. I'll still be putting out videos, but not as many, if that makes sense. Busy. Me, I'm busy. My husband, not so much. He's been averaging maybe 4 days a week, so that's not good. He is working today. He is doing only data entry stuff, he said. Doing all the paperwork. He's just sitting at his desk and he says, and inputting, numbers, and he's very boring just to sit there. He likes his job where he can be out and all over the plant. He just can go but right now, he said there's only one production line working. They announced they had some cancellations of projects or contracts because they're not making cars. So, that's not good for us. And it's definitely not good for us when he has where he works has already announced they'll be shutting down next year. Now, I have an update on that. We have decided, not the company, my husband and I, well, my husband has decided, and I agree with him. He will be leaving the company in April, May timeframe in there. He says this living in limbo is he just doesn't like it. Neither do I, not knowing what's going on. So that's when he wants to be out of there. And so that gives us a time frame. And what we'll be doing is, once he leaves, we will be selling this house and hopefully quickly finding a house in Savannah and moving. During that whole process, there might not be any videos. I'm not sure yet. I'm just kind of winging it and taking it day by day. But April, May, 6 months from now, we'll be leaving here. So that's the plan right now, unless the plant decides otherwise. Unless they decide, well, since no cars are being made, we might as well shut it down now. And so but I don't know. We don't know any word about that. So that's in my brain. I've got a lot going around in my head. And also I've been battling some pretty bad depression. I've been struggling with it. So when I go back to the doctor, I've got to discuss it with her. But there's just a lot. It's just a lot happening, you know. But I keep focusing on the positive. And one of the things we're focusing on is my niece's wedding. That is in July. There's no changing that. That's happening, and we'll be going. And we have decided to not stay in Titusville. We're going to Florida, and the wedding's going to be near Titusville, Florida. We'll get started on my eyes. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cremated palette today. I wanted to play with it again. So let's see. I'm going to use Burial Gown right here. We looked at hotel prices there along the coast at Titusville, and I mean, we can, for a nice room, you know, we can stay at Cabana Bay in Orlando for the same price. So we have decided Universal Studios is an hour from Titusville. We're going to go down and stay at Cabana Bay. We're going to go down early. Her wedding's going to be on a Friday. So we're going to go down early and stay at Cabana Bay, and Nathan can go into the theme parks. I'm not going into the theme parks. I'm just going to hang out at Cabana Bay, go into City Walk. I'm just going to be relaxing. That's going to be my part of the trip, and then we'll have the wedding on Friday and then come home on Saturday, wherever home might be, because I won't know at that time. Hopefully we'll have a new house by then. Let's see, what do I want to use next? I'm going to go into Last Respects right here. Like I said, I'm just making this up as I go. But that's pretty much all of my news. What's been keeping me busy, and our timeline for moving, and which is fluid, as you may well know. We have a basic, either we'll go in April, May, or we'll go sooner if the plant shuts down. So whichever happens first. So that is the plan. That is the plan. I think I'm going to do just a very simple eye today, because this is more about telling you, getting you caught up. I think I'm going to do a simple lid color. I think I want to try this. Let's see what this Inheritance looks like. I'm going to use my detail brush. It looks shimmery, glittery. Yeah, it is. I think I'm going to need my finger. Need my finger. And I'm sorry guys if you can hear the trash truck. The trash is going. I really like this palette. Now I'm going to take my detail brush and line under my eyes with I think I'll go in with the Morgue right here. It's a little darker. That one looks like it hasn't been used much. Very pretty. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to go and put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm going to use my color wheel. I'm going into the shade here just to add some color. There we go. And use my lunch money highlighter. Got my finger off on a tissue. Put a little on. There we go. Tip of my nose. Now for my lips, I'm going to use my Huda lip liner in Heartbreaker, I believe. Yes, Heartbreaker, which is a red. Colored them in a little bit because I'm going to take my Park Avenue Princess nude lipstick and fill it in. I like how it makes a nice muted red lip. And there we go. That's it. So guys, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.